So here is the actual consulting box that you receive, the consulting.com box. It's actually very sturdy and very heavy. You can see a lot of thought and effort and hence quality has gone into this. As you can see, these are hardcover booklets. For example, this is the notepad. I personally don't use this notepad, but the fact is it's there and you can use it if you like using notepads. A lot of people do. And here is, I think, the most valuable one out of every single booklet. And this is the Alchemy conversion script, whereby it actually takes you step by step from the pre-call preparation all the way to the end to actually finishing and closing the client. So this isn't a game. This is definitely the real deal when it comes to having your script. And a lot of people I hear actually sleep with this right next to them because they want to remember it. They go to bed reading it. It's very good. And then of course the next one is the Alchemy Planner. Now the Alchemy Planner is really suited to you. I personally use the online version, but hey, everyone uses it in a different way and how they want to use it. This is exactly how students use it. They use it every day. They plan out their entire life basically around this. Very, very good. And they actually plan it during the course and after the course. And then the next component is actually the Consulting Accelerator program itself. Now, if you don't like watching videos and you prefer to read things, then this entire course is in book format. And this is so large that it's in 2 different books. And these are huge books. See, as you can see, they actually all come wrapped in plastic as well. So you also know that you're getting really new stuff and it's really high quality. So of course, these are very heavy books. They're very sturdy. As you can see, there's no damage to my box at all. There's a bit of smudges here and there, but that's just me being excited about it as soon as I received it. But the point is, you know, it's very, very good quality. And here is, of course, a little pamphlet where you can put your notes in, and you can see Sam Ovens' consulting course in there. So after watching my review of Sam Ovens' Consulting Accelerator, click the link in the description below, which is called Get $500 Off Consulting.com. This is an exclusive invite. If you don't get it now, I'm not sure if it'll be up in the future, so I'm sorry if you missed out on this, but hey, if it's there, you're welcome. Either way, it's $500 off the entire course, plus a 7-day free trial. So if you don't like it, you don't have to spend a cent. You can watch as much as you like. So obviously this is not a scam if it's for free. And if you don't like it, just piss it off and you can just be like, nah, this sucks. Not for me. This is boring crap. And if you do like it, you get $500 off regardless. So I got your back there. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and no, it's not a fucking scam because it's free. Go, have fun with it. It's free. Click the link in the description. Otherwise, guys, best of luck. I'll see you in the next one.